Hello and a warm welcome to my channel. In today's video, I've covered Rushil Decor. Before I go there, just a reminder to the viewers that my courses on harmonic patterns, Ichimoku, and trading psychology, risk management, video recordings, and PDF are available. For those who are interested, the description is there in the link below. In the trading, those who opt for the trading psychology risk management part, they get 10 live sessions with me one-on-one, where every day I will show ways to reduce risk, to get confirmations of trade execution, and how to spot strength and weakness in the market. Now let's start off with uh, Rushil Decor. Rushil Decor, as the name goes, is a company in small cap stock with a market cap of just 775 crores. It is into the manufacturing of laminate sheets, MDF, PVC, and board particles. Its return on capital employed is currently at 16.9%. Promoters hold 55% of the stake in the company, of which 18% is pledged. FIIs hold 1.45%. Domestic institutions have zero holding in it, while the rest, 43%, belongs to the public. At the current level, the stock has made it into the Benjamin Graham Value Investing List, as well as into the Jim Slater's Zulu Principal List for growth stocks. Now let's have a look at what the charts are telling us. Now, we can see that the stock from 2018 saw a steep correction till 2020 and then managed its way up all the way. In fact, if you see during the uh, October, November 2021 till June 2022, the stock, while the market was taking a good beating, Rushil Decor was more of side, first appreciated, then did a pullback, but not much of a correction. And from the June Nifty lows, the stock did quite well. But then from October 2022, it took a sharp beating and has come down right into the monthly cloud out here, and now shown a bullish harmonic ABCD pattern at the lows formed in the month of March. From there, we see a bounce back in the stock and now some consolidation happening out here. And in the daily also, we see something like that, pull down, pull up, like that. So small volatile area for the stock at this current juncture. It can uh, face a resistance now. The bigger one is around between 350 to 375, and then 425. These are the three resistance on its way. I'm not looking at the small time resistance too much into it right now, which is around 300 and 335. If the way the market is trending currently, then those levels could be taken out. And if I just draw a trend line and show you, this is the immediate short-term uh, resistance the stock is facing out here. These are short-term. If it breaks above this line out here, then it will try to push its way towards 350, where we can see this line out here, and then 375, and the bigger resistance is out here from where it fell, 425. So if it, these are the short-term possibilities of the stock above this particular swing high out here. And if it manages to then sustain above 425, that's a very crucial level, 425, then the medium to long term target for the stock is coming at 650. Remember, it's not a small uh, short term trade, it's much for the medium to long term. At the same time, please note this is a small cap stock. So your investment risk profile has to be managed accordingly, not like a mid cap or a large cap stock. At the same time, the support for the stock is at 250. We can see in the weekly a 250 support daily. We can see a support line here also in the Ichimoku at 250, as well as in the monthly out here around 225, 30. So that's the first line of support of 225 to 50. However, if that were to break down, if due to any reason, then the next major support for the stock is at 150 rupees. So investors need to keep that factor in mind, that the stock, if it violates this 250, 225 level, then it could come down here, which is that next major support for it. Uh, Out here, there is a bullish harmonic at 175, but it's not necessary that the bullish harmonic will occur or not. But in case 225 does not hold, then the possibility arises. And on the upside, like I said, above three, the resistance where it's played. So overall, the stock right now, because it's inside a Ichimoku monthly cloud out here, the stock can be volatile for quite some time. Okay? So one would be better off doing this on, if you're in an SIB format, or keep certain trigger levels to add more on, accordingly set up your exit strategies in case it fails to do something like that. But since it has made it already to the Benjamin Graham and Jim Slater's stock screener, then there must be some potential definitely in it. But please remember, the Benjamin Graham and the Jim Slater stock screener sheet keeps changing with periodically, depending on the company performance and the price of the company where it is. So you'll have to keep a track of that also if you are into it and upgrade with it. So that I end this video. I hope it will help to you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And happy investing, everyone. Bye bye.